See the damage. See the damage.
If you know evil when Izzy do this one, not be me go talk the inner, than the one when me see now go talk. Oh. If anybody knows say yes, made a go talk. If you know the inner damage, nega and easy, no matter how bastard you, because you're Omoruyi, that girl, Ogbeku. And any celebrity when go ever carry and come out again, that celebrity they need to write them off for anywhere.
Exactly. That's why they send this 10 warning, this message to Wisi Egiato. And
that is early in the morning. In the morning, I call me again, daytime, I can't start. I go start. Mere yare mai kame.
Na ma de gbela dia ba we body. E ma so akabu temi so ne.
If Joy not free host tomorrow from 4 p.m. I go host her.
Don't worry, people they come tomorrow. We don't have get program for today. So
a boy ni no man me tell ya lele. Only na be ate really Jesus. He said na you killer. What's the man pay the full record?
F1.
No, they report that picture saying sexual exploit. I beg. That's why I remove her. You go report tire easy. You not get evidence. You dey hear me so?
Anyway, you want a minu who in a one man.
oh no ya gbe me no ya ri okun ye mi ameni get ya was your.
Don't worry.
My sister, you too fine, oh.
See what you do.
Social media.
How I find girl like you go dey follow one.
Now your brother, you know what they talk about, so we go carry on.
Okay, I not talk about you. How can I go and be my brother?
Oh yeah, babu no. Oh yeah,
no. No, we about not they can. We about not they carry skirt and sneakers. God forbid.
Your Akpu sister don't get mad now. You they deny. Innocent. Akpu sister, she don't get mad.
They say easy get 100 fake accounts.
Yeah, this one better.
This one good. Easy get 100 fake accounts. Easy man. No, ya bully one.
No, I not see that video when I play. See, where do you want tell?
Mama beg.
Sorry. Okay,
if you be easy friend for WhatsApp, the day of my baby birthday, see what she posts for Peking birthday. Okay, see what she posts that day.
This time at 7:50 a.m. last year, I got a call from my sis Sharon Upame. She said, I don't born. I was like, wow.
You don't report her.
They report Mihz go. They don't report her again.
Easy, man.
Easy don't castle.
Easy, who can't have
Easy don't.
Why they would report her? Make she for not feel.
Make she for not talk again. You don't understand.
Mihz Golden send.
Those who first said we don't cast to
go.
Waya bichi waniye
back off. Come on for that. The Sharon family business. You are not one of them. Back off.
At all.
Leave that woman.
I
mean, oh yeah. Come peaceful.
He was wishing rest in peace on a child's birthday.
On a child's birthday.
This time, 7:50 a.m. last year, I got a call from my sister Sharon. She said, I don't born. I said, wow, this God
on a
too
child's
great.
birthday.
Sis, it's so sad you are not here anymore. Rest in peace on a child's birthday. Where is it?
On a child's birthday.
On
the child's birthday, she was wishing rest in peace to her friend.
Hi.
Wow. Easy. Nukeu. Sharon will make sure until you come out in confession and tell her you're sorry. Sharon, it isn't that me they do what they do. Sharon will not rest.
What about that? So not that get that time also that.
Mihz Good. Okay, I confess. Where they go?
There's another lady also that was
thank you. What type of wishes is that? On that child's birthday, this is what she posted on her stories. This was what she posted. Wishing her friend.
Was
Rest in
bad.
peace.
Was bad.
Eboya gogo
Yeah,
ma celebrate
Osamede, yes.
Usamede only ve deba ni yeve zuo. Like Sonny, only you have a phone you but you have only but a problem, you know. On a child's birthday, this was what Izzy posted on her stories. She posted a lot. Oh. Is see my mommy finish. Me I told her another one. When they talk say Izzy, if not bossy ke where me do hun uri hun wese. For say because honor
Easy, stop reporting.
well honor the post on honor. The same day, oh, no, I wish I'm happy
No
birthday.
matter what, any girl look at me, I look at you know. Look at
After
me, I
enough fit out, you know,
yeah,
sister,
what
I
you
said,
done?
On a beautiful child's birthday, a day everybody was so happy, like,
They
oh,
mean you post it, yeah. What posting? What was
honor
it?
ya
oh,
posting
nice,
in
sir.
the hospital.
In
Okay.
the hospital, when my home
And
again,
the hospital, then she did so when she post like this.
yes, nah.
A video guy, no. Boy, in what posted
My
in the
people,
hospital.
make una be careful. That's why they
Us
tell
need
go back
that.
see me they told now type of way walare wasizia God forbid we are me woman una kema woman.
Rude, brother, na go back see me. Oh, yeah, man. This man
What
has been
say, Uji
supportive.
wa me,
He
Uji
has
wa
always
me,
been like
baby.
from day one. He's always like he has always been there. Like your mom and him we ya fair no ma true man. He just always there to support. Let me even come here say me I respect him. Me I come here. I know say this man something easy. I never start with you. I never start with you. You understand?
Easy na, easy Omoruyi kiyen ki je unda, easy bit won igbe, ije me yan gbe, easy Omoruyi, eh?
No, just leave the mama.
No, na the mama go dey beat o, ogun hin agbe easy o. Ogun, ije,
On a child's birthday, you were wishing rest in peace. To who? Do like in a way, do like a recipe, but Mudia, I'll say, well, baby, 1 year, but Mudia Sereni, this is a birthday. This is a great child. If you see her, you know, fine, mama. This is a child that looks
oye
everything like a baby.
ibere video, ibere picture, ya ye mose.
I'm with them every
Ah,
day. I'm with them. I love. So
may God
I even
bless
come up
you
from my
and
house.
bless Ijiano Kwani.
It's
If no ya koke mona nege
It's these children does
Unda,
not lack. These children does not like. Oh, honey, we need them go get so now. Mommy go come out. You go the final they go.
bege.
Oh, go and let me.
Baile koko mose, bai koko
Hey, take
mose,
me way more
easy
deal.
vision, Ijiano Kwa. You Ijian. It you have a live video.
we are not aware. I have not seen grandma. Okay.
Mommy, we miss you,
Of your
grandma.
honey mad or mad this year existing, no general. Or mad this year exist. May come see children see how they do.
No, ye guje wo wa. Oh, I grandmother. My brother, why I tell me so we understand. When
I
you look to
just
where will grandmother working? Oh, my
Mama
baby
ti
working.
rent one room. I be one room with Italia.
Eh, measure o
Who
3
you
years
where are they could age wedge?
or
Waka
mammy.
misi no ya me one room wa la wo. Easy go and rent one room la wo.
But
Easy a one ne hu. Easy a one ne hu wo bona. Easy one ne hu wo bona. Wo
A
za ya wa
boyfriend they
awia.
have never bonopa.
Akobe ku e dem
Oh,
akobe.
again, arriba,
E ku e dem akobe sorry o.
A
Or
baby,
maybe
where
you
are they
got
kuba with?
Wagobe we see a gat of one. Maybe you got the advice from a madman. Sorry o. So Rudige hotel when I have your wheezy. But why are you right? We put your toilets.
if you really trust yourself, if I dey
Hi.
post this, why you dey report am? If you really know, say yes, what you dey talk now? You know, say yourself,
Akobe
say you already
benye
prove me right.
ga bakobe. Akobe ga ihon oga lenizi. What you tell Akobe. In fact, social media blog. You know Akobe ga na we say gato.
I know now.
Okay. Or even though you pay all the useless bloggers, all the useless presenters, made it no problem. But my voice will go for Akobegian because Omana Dame or Kena Yafi 1 month. Omana Guale or Yari locate have a page of there. Oh, boy, here while I was.
Leave it
Go not
pie.
be out there with
Just Leave it.
I don't go leave pa. I don't go leave her.
Very for
If I go see everything when it happen to Sharon Pame,
I go back see
he
me.
go
I
still
go
go
very
sit down for
Bulgaria
easy
Italy.
your more yes.
Where Doro Wizina? I go very Bulgaria Italy. Where Doro Wizi that go?
We don't want home. We don't want home
Oh,
now.
I'm in Bulgaria, yeah. It's in Bulgaria. Yeah.
I could
Yes,
remember the
you are
one
right.
bass when we were in hotel, Warundige hotel where you have your Wizzy. Is that not a shame on your part? I see any that you are local champion here. My beg.
But two rooms and
Okay,
a parlor room, and they cannot
somebody
be
said
ever.
the hotel, I beg.
Now hotel is
Beg
now
the
hotel.
only if I don't know with video
Now
about with
hotel.
video about.
Because who wizi oye na wo gwe o me be no je. E pa TV ba. Maybe talk with Joe
They say he
visit
no
to
sleep easy
come.
play, so I go back see me.
Yeah, you only
But I
yeah,
say
you
no,
only
I'm
for
not sure say
visit.
Ofi go dey
Okay,
stay.
okay.
I
You
go
only
Okay,
beg
your
for
man.
you. Wait a minute.
a
Osawesi.
panel of sleep there now.
Osawesi. Better pa. We see a gato. In fact, dissociate yourself from this person is your mom.
Iya
Orion
bu e
ba no
Very
pa ya
Orion.
fenu
important.
ya zomo
Very,
e we
very
ko wo
important.
dan ya hin. Ke no
Orion
pa
ba
already
is your
ni.
mom. Orion ba no Orion do no.
IPOB, no. Samuel.
IPOB. Ọmọ náà fi pẹ́ jẹ gua.
No,
Easy
IPOB,
women
no.
not die
Oh,
no
I
fire
beg.
no barrel.
How it come be where POB again?
Juma Juice, I beg. No talk about in location here. You don't already talk and
No,
say
not
the
talking
hotel.
location.
It's fine. Please do not talk
We don't
about
already know. Make I explain to social media blog. Social media blog and our viewers wey dey here, more na dey listen. More na listen and listen carefully.
Okay, sir.
I think una hear say Izzy say in the fight the Benin cause, in the fight for the Benin race, in the fight for Edo State. Not be waiting Izzy tell una waiting they collect money for with Edo
No, I don't
247.
247 here.
I
Fine.
not be member now.
Now
I not be member.
But you be members
now
spiritually in social media.
no not be member but you don't hear the jack since
Social
now.
media
So
now.
now Izzy Omoruyi
Members spiritually.
spiritually I remember. So
How?
Izzy
No,
But
more
one thing I want talk,
I tell
right?
be member spiritually.
more than let Miss Goldie talk
But one
abeg.
thing I want talk. How person go dey life, you know his papa name, you not get papa. He go dey after his mama name. Is that not a bastard?
A bastard, you know.
Amari Agbo mama say I can't bastard.
A bastard, the one. How can that
Ile
person
no mo
represent?
boye bije na wo akwani Omoruyi ya fie ni niju for. Tami jwe we no maira.
Iye meti my
They
right.
get small imwe ko we na o no inya ko we no dey dem mawe.
Miss Goldie, Iye my right. Or mine no more
My
echo.
shame.
Not be one person.
Please help me to
Grasiata.
power tap, oh, please. They are reporting us, eh? Power tap.
Iye
abeg.
my right.
How can you be alive and not know your father? You are a bastard.
Or my
If I go back see me, how is she to be Onyamiri? I want to know that part.
Make I explain. Let me explain. My people, waiting happen be say, you know, after our brother, our able governor, our Gangatwa governor, don't win that
Governor
election.
Lebolo.
Oh, Bewolo. We don't win that election that day. So we all they happy because we know waiting the Ogionba of Bonisa of America. What do they call him?
Seki.
Godwin, no, bad, Badwin, no, Baseki. Badwin, no, Baseki, Badwin Seki. We do against our kingdom. We know everything. You understand? So as Bewolo come, he can't go palace. He can't see go thank everybody. That's not normal. Anybody we can go to palace. If you see the campaign, anybody can come to palace to collect blessing. Then the best will win the race. That's what
Yes.
they be. But after you go down, he not go palace. He can't go chief palace. That is say someone will be palace. He can't go that side. When you forget, say someone a chief to Oba. You understand? Fine. Then the wise man Akbakomiza, Akbakowanda, he come palace.
Guys, please
Now
power
we
tap and
receive
share,
am.
please. They are reporting
As
massively.
we receive him, he can't win the election. As he don't win the election, then he can't go for Thanksgiving for palace. Now our Oba come bless him.
Maybe you
As
call
he
this
bless
fight.
am,
We know this fight. Where the south of
he
your band.
never finish.
Let am
Just
talk.
the listen.
Because of
Listen,
people
you
who
go
just dey watch
understand.
for the first time.
Wait
I
first.
beg you understand. Hold
You
on.
go understand because 160 people or 180 people watching now. And other people will see watch am later. So as we don't bless and finish, all Benin people, all the dope estate people don't bless our governor finish. You understand? So even Omonoba able talk and say, in fact, now 8 years for him, make it a repair at those states well. Now we support him with our full chest. So one man, whether they call Peter Obi, where they get advice from madman, he can't come Bini. As he come Bini, he say he goes to Philomena.
He
He
sneak
go
enter,
donate
my brother. He sneak.
he
He
sneak
sneak
enter,
enter.
go donate 15 million naira. Ordinary 50, ordinary, because I will call her ordinary because I know say I'll get 15 million naira if I need an anna. I'll get her.
Exactly.
Ordinary
Get
15
am in
million
1 month.
naira. He can't go donate am. As he donates 15 million naira, he can't go airport road, that vegetable market. He can't go they do some kind of campaign stuff, this political rally in a way. You understand? Now people will come and say next time, if you they come my state as a political figure where you be, because when I don't create a ADC now, whether na ADC, whether na ASD, I don't know. Make one of them not come buy you for my state. They'll say, nah, I don't say you for buy. I beg, my brother, if you they come next time, tell me so that I will provide security for you. Now, waiting our governor talk
Guys,
to.
our tap massively, please.
Then
Our
I
tap.
want woman whether they call Mama Pig, Onoche, Precious Onoche. Why Igbo woman what they say for Bini, where they use Bini say they collect money.
Where get a
Now I
gather
can
for
say,
hand? A gather for hand.
waiting we use and tell me that anybody where is support Bebolo,
Bible.
he say he poor speech for our face. My brother social media blog, you dey listen to me.
I did with
Listen
you.
where easy for the Oba. You know, say as our Oba support our governor. This Mama Pig, so who you think saying they refer to like that?
I don't know who they refer to. I know
Not be everybody will support Bebolo they refer to like
No,
that.
now the whole
Wetin
Edo
social
dey
media
refer
they
to.
talk so
The whole Edo.
you sleep they worry you this evening. Which guy you talk so you don't know?
Now the whole Edo.
Social media
I
won't come.
don't know who they
Yeah, I
refer
know so
because
how you they talk like
No,
that?
the question is
he
very,
positive boy.
very
I don't
sensitive.
know who they
Now the
refer
whole
to.
Edo.
Because you know insult me,
Nah,
not for you insult me.
which means if they throw mat give the whole Edo, including the palace.
Exactly.
Then Izzy Omoruyi come out. As we don't react, we don't vex, but Izzy Omoruyi come out say, waiting Mama Pig talk. Say na right word na he talk. Say waiting he talk he correct. Even though people call am Ogunyoba, say he not send anybody.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't understand now. If you say he not talk, make it come out, make go drink water for Buddha Palace, Buddha Shrine. If you say he not talk, make it come out.
Oh,
You don't understand why I call am say na Ogunyoba na he be.
I don't understand now.
Yeah.
So I know they lie.
For people who
So
don't
now be that.
understand, vegetable market now very close to governor house. So now will be go. You know.
If you want arrange, maybe you can know. Maybe if you want arrange talk, make them go. You can know because since we Okpewolo team win, he say Okpewolo not be governor.
Say Okpawolo no dey
Then
win.
what you
Okpawolo should work
say
more.
not be governor. Then what you can define for our state? Nothing. So now this Ogunyoba Bate be Ogunyoba is your Omoruyi. So that one aside, But what you concern Sharon, where this Ogunyoba no one come on so now this
Okagbe.
matter. Now this Okagbe is your Omoruyi. Now this Sharon matter na go move am. Is your Omoruyi when it me Sharon ga gwe or gbogbo you die. Who wa bi you here aka who wa maka ne egbagbon de gbe okuwa. Waga ika wa ifie gogo ne. Why you ya se fire.
When I
Onda
bring Goldie up again, my sister.
edien do must to know what I
Okay,
am.
and maybe I come down back say, okay, go to say request abeg.
So edien do must to know what I am na. Even wa say ami ya ni on bono we gbe woni ari wale. Bin wa he ya akwo ekwa e the problem here ya worst. Easy Omoruyi the by you. Egbagbon de gbe okuwa unda egbe okere irani mebi ye. W for
We go all
water.
like me. We go like me.
W for water nọrọ. Èmi na ọrụ nwazi ọfịa mere nwa we. Unda we ewe n'ọlọ nwara ewe. W for water. Wọ ikú ọsẹ we.
Agogo. Ewe be ma.
Àpapọ̀ yẹ kọ́sẹ̀ we. W for water kọ́sẹ̀ we.
Ohun. Ewe be ma. Ohun. Eno.
How can you ọma ka ma ọwa mú na you ọbọ when you know this lady that She was one of the best actresses for Ragun. You when me make him party Sharon Ragun W for Wolfen. And I will with shout out no VA. At least
Oh yeah,
we
blackmail. Oh yeah, we blackmail.
Permission of
no.
you know, go
No,
ever
Yeah,
give
we
shout out to
blackmail.
anybody.
you
Blackmail,
know,
yeah.
What try
it
not
no go better for W for Wolfen. It no go better for you. And that one where ya. When guys say we video na when my video na we here ga una. I'm where. I say 3 years na I'm where industry na. Expect to la they do apologize.
Oh, Carl, we don't do you know come
Oh, 3 years in the W for
come.
I give you 3 years. I am where
Then
industry
I
na.
gonaria gino. Then the guy was fear again. Worry. Sagi. I feel worry.
So anything W for what or why we me serve you
I
will
beg.
confess
I know.
and
I
give.
come here today. I beg. My plea be say. Mona tell Izzy and him mama make he leave mama 50 cents alone. Make she for see her to take care of children. If they bully the woman, she they
We
carry
don't
the woman
adopt.
to
We don't
different
adopt.
places.
Sister, my sister, no verse.
We don't buy the matter.
We don't adopt this issue,
Thank
and
you.
this issue will not be resolved.
Thank
Anybody that bully that lady, the person
The
will.
woman don't
You
old,
go
they
collect.
bully and the woman is in pain, they cry
so
every day. Mona
You
beg
need to
Izzy.
respect mothers. It
Now
don't
make
too
me
much.
ask
That
Izzy,
lady
if
need
she
to.
dey
They
owe
need to
you
let that
money,
lady
tell me I
rest.
go pay you. I won't pay you the money she dey owe you. May you for leave this woman alone. Me, I want her to be strong. I want her to take care of this children. I stand by her. I told her I'm not going to leave you. We are going to do this together. So easy, I beg. You don't want joy, no problem. We don't need you. I beg, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Mona help us beg am anywhere.
We know
Anything.
they
Oh
beg. We
my
know
You
they
don't
beg.
dey beg anybody. You want a boy you or you wrong.
Yeah,
Really
yeah,
my dear boy mamu my right from time. A boy mamu my right from
when
time.
I want when I want
So
when
I
No
I
say I. No say I.
We know they beg, my sister.
I know
family
that.
keke mi boy atoli
Oh,
gbe.
Yeah, all my daddy
gbe.
is in the house. I beg una because you have a see he already kokone me not Samia. Make he leave the woman alone. Now the
I
woman
will
lost
beg
speaking.
oh
Now the
no
woman
family no
lost
keke mi
speaking.
boy atoli gbe.
He said,
Awawa,
"Well,
ya
see
temi
I."
na, ya ta.
He said, "May
And
leave
Ya
us
ta.
another
alone."
thing again we go to do for you is very simple. If we discover where they saga you because you can't speak for here today, the person too will collect.
Thank you,
Akabo.
sir. Thank you, sir.
We
Abeg
wait for
noted
them.
o. Baba social media noted o.
Thank you, sir.
Noted.
Noted.
Anybody.
Izzy is not part of Mama Sharon's family, and that's the more reason why
Yeah.
you should back
Yes.
off. Leave her alone.
Yeah.
And
Leave
if you
the
don't
Okay.
family.
Izzy na
Because
psycho.
the reason why we will support you, my sister, is very simple. I will tell you the truth. We know they do saga.
Na
We dey
mama
analyze.
Sharon we want support. No be our sister dey okay.
Yeah, we are supporting you because you are doing well for that children. That children belong to everybody.
Yes, sir.
So children belong to us. So anybody will go beat person.
Now all of
When
us
they help
get
us, they look after children. When our sister live there, that person our enemy. So it
Yes.
be.
I beg. May leave the woman alone. You don't understand me.
And so it just be.
That social
Abeg.
media, you go ask Izzy whether na Okagbe be for the family, for your talk.
Those I been at them with yeah.
We're not going to ask questions. You let them break.
we go ask
Hear
you.
any PM.
The way this woman they talk about this this thing, we go ask.
It's too much, it's too much.
Yeah, what did they have? You know, you don't even relate to the family.
At all.
Ọmọ no ye
Look
pussy
at
ya
the
bie.
blackmail.
Ọmọ
Look at the
no me
harassment.
no na fiela. Una wa ge.
Too much.
Izzy.
Continual harassment, bullying everywhere. For what?
Innocent or Vion Webiyeke. That's the only thing you know how to do best.
Now you roti for inside house. Now you call the bully person wey be say don't go.
Of course.
What's the problem?
Laura,
You roti for every.
Flora,
See small pikin where you go,
she's
they
not family.
follow. Small pikin.
She's not part of the family. See small pikin where they raise your leg up.
I don't understand, mama. I don't understand.
See the
But
person
that boy
you come
small.
carry a old man come outside. You see
Now social media blog. I don't know why.
They were
I don't know why
I don't
Udoka.
understand.
Una don't know why Udoka they
Anyway,
support
take
Izzy.
care.
No.
Maybe I go with the want to go. Anyway,
You see, ma, are you there? Una don't know why. Una don't know why Udoka they support Izzy. Because now one Igbo man where they born for Ika land, where they claim Agbo.
Where they claim
Now they raise the leg.
okay.
Una don't understand the matter.
Okay.
So
And they come, we'll play Igbo song for her. Easy, Larry.
when we go, you play Igbo song for her. Not to
We'll
play
play
ya.
Igbo song for you. They come. We'll put go.
Yes, it makes sense, my brother Richard. It makes sense.
It makes sense now. So now, so easy. You so now, Igbo well, no wonder.
Igbo lele ya.
Also, now we man, now we take boy, about this thing. So it's
Igbo wa ton we mu na Igbo like
that's
the
why I'm not
last.
defend Igbo. Also, now happy Obi now, you know, Peter Obi, all the
Power on.
Please leave the innocent woman alone. Who be the innocent woman?
Don't be the innocent. Talk well.
No, he's talking about. I think he's talking about Mama.
Okay, Mama
Marshall.
50 cents. Okay. You like time where you say easy. Please leave Mama 50 cents alone.
You don't start taking.
Easy. Hey. Oh, we're going to go. Hey.
Easy was to confess to
Ijo Igbo, what say Ijo Igbo? Ijo Igbo.
Igbo kwenu.
Oh, quarter.
Hey.
Since we were
Ijo Igbo. Ijo Igbo. Eri ha. Otalo yegwagbe. Ogwegwa. He say na palace na I go do settlement with Igbo people.
Can you imagine?
Just imagine. Social media blog. Are you listening to what I'm
Never
saying?
heard that one before.
You just dey hear now. Just dey inform you now. Easy say he call some people to just to manipulate their mind. He say na palace. Na I go do settlement with Igbo people. So he even talk am to the extent. If you see say we dey talk to Igbo people, you go say wa the Igbo one na wa avie bonoro. Wa avie ball. See any avie ball la wa.
Igbo. Hey. Oh.
See the way he care for me.
Easy. Welcome Igbo. Hey.
Obe sakpo.
Hey. Mamadu. Hey. Easy. Iyo Igbo. If I will send off in there, easy.
Because of Jesus.
Easy no be Omoruyi. Obi bastard. Ijo Igbo wa no. Many jere ya mu we Igbo. Igbo music.
Listen, I bet play go.
Okay, go.
Igbo je wa busy na.
No, we
Every wa so na mi o be. Ye meti we.
Agwa.
Ye ga ke wa ba 3 weeks of there go hospital.
Ni me wa o sin ne no re won. O ya wash.
Easy Omoruyi. Akobe me ya wa asiru do
Okay, my brother, how you can't just take all the 4 accounts?
We know.
We know them. Me, I know reach 4. Me, I know
Not be
4.
small pikin that they tell say that monkey. You don't know monkey. Social media blogger, you don't know monkey.
He said before you see monkey don't see you.
Wow.
Yokume squazo. Oya bitani mame.
Now watch people with bill. Not good.
Or wait before you see monkey don't see you.
I don't see you. On a reach them, say no like we.
Na n'ime nni unu na-eri.
We are going all amulatia.
Ya na uzuzu gbafere ụlọ unu gburugburu.
Bade zuzo, uno Izzy.
Easy bro.
N'ime nni unu na-eri.
Na leader do eri.
I'm jollof rice. Yeah, I'm jollof rice for you. One plate of jollof rice. Senegal jollof for you. Who Senegal jollof for you? Are you nice here now? Igbo are you nice now?
I think no we ya ya will take book. Ó dá mala go as we ya le gbo wa yi wa.
Igbo le jollof. I can't want here. Igbo le jollof.
E pepe soup ya mo bo le ya yo bo wa ya le.
E bebe ya e.
Wọ́n fẹ́ gusi.
Igbo no the ebe. I can't even want here.
Because you said
Yo sabe se o
Wàá lè ní ẹgbẹ́ rí gbòòrì ọ̀wọ́n ní àgbà kan lẹ́yìn
Izzy de o ye ni agbe.
Agba kan yẹn nya ni
Izzy
ọ̀gá.
come let this anya o. Wà ṣe báyẹn ìrì yọ̀ wẹ̀ oníṣẹ́
Yeah, wá rí ọ. Oníṣàlẹ̀ fara yẹn ni.
O Izzy Omoruyi.
Mama Sharon alone, and that's what we're starting on. You need to stop.
Yes.
It's time for you
Leave
to
her
stop.
alone.
Back off. Face your problem because a problem no law where you can.
Oye nye kete.
When my tea saw the airful, you are not part of that.
Una yo pa mo hun.
E won ni aya pe ohun esu. Iye awon ni ne.
O ko no be gbo na. Ya ri o ko no be gbo.
Aya pe ohun esu. Always is our cases are nearby.
O we kina wo ni.
Kakabo. Itane, really tired. We are fear every time I video. Yo ye. Iye na wa ye ani every time I video. Unda amana we video. Minizi ya we awo. Metic man no odogo. Pastor metic
O
one
no be ku we ko gbaju wa e mata no. Omo na we awo here.
Ọwọ́ àtijẹ́ ìjọ tí mà nọ̀rí àwọ̀ wà gbúnú yé nìyẹn Izzy ọmọ dán wí àrí àzẹ́ wọ́pá yàrí nọ̀rí
Azen ni ku yo e. E ba we na go kan no di azen.
nọ̀rí àzẹ́.
Wa ni ku yari azen ni ne. Azen ni ki o ba be ne. Ba be ki no
Right, no. Ọmọ wẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ wẹ̀ yá posted recipe.
ya gbaru happy.
Mẹ́rin ẹgbẹ́ apá àbòbọ̀ alájà come out tomorrow. Me I no dey go anywhere. I dey free till I no tell you the day when I dey free because I wan go work and after you run come outside. Mero wa.
Oga la dia di mono ya expose.
Well,
We know why Aladiani Elio exposed. I will be even happy.
Yeah.
No Ladian.
I will love that, yeah.
Oh, Jack won't tell me.
Leave her alone. Leave that woman.
What is Sharon
When
there?
I POB. Oh no, I agree, man.
One is Sharon there, Miss Gooding. One is Sharon there. Enyate only a me Sharon.
Nah.
Now that one, the one just take the manager to that kingdom come. So, Obama, in my many year here, where he need to restrict Obama from entering that house.
No, there's nothing absolutely she can do right now because the children are still growing. So, but I think she's an adult woman, so she knows exactly what she can do.
Oh, I mean, no, I can know. Yes,
I mean, no,
I know.
So now what's so
On our pastor,
No,
on our church.
I mean, no. But for what would they solicit for right now? Easy, we not they beg you. We must say you know rich. You understand? You are not up to that standard for anybody to be pleading with you or be soliciting on behalf of Mama Sharon, our sister, the mother to our late sister. But what we are telling you is to back off.
Exactly. Back off, yeah.
Exactly. Supporting you are not there to give your support.
Well,
They
you
use
money.
factors.
We are come out work 5%. Just imagine that.
Mama, mama, a selfie no move.
Azim is on here.
Awoye koi. My see, people, when I use this one, take guess sense. I beg you in the name of God. And that's why, let me tell you guys, and that's why when we did the same group, former Edo 247. When I see a manipulative spirit say this get on the it go send all people come, I don't in jail. No. Once I spot you say you be demonic person, not when anybody won't tell me. I actually disrespect
Only respect the mental way tomorrow, my sister. Yeah, for your boldness. God forbid. Yeah. Boldness.
Loriti had the temerity to come here and say, Izzy said was 75%, me 25. I was just looking at her. They were bashing and bashing. Now, my brother Agobasi, me I talk one thing. I think Joasabo said something. Oh, Joy was impatient. Joy would have, she was too fast. She and her husband was too harsh. Madam, is it not small thing now where they talk for you? You want they talk for your head? You know who reach 2% of mine. 2% and your body pepper you
no Mudane ni correct wani
Mudane emori ona aya wegbe no matter how that small lie go dey, once they don't lie for your head like this, which I understand, you can't bear it because you see people where they are outspoken will not they lie me, they lie for our head. You could come outside to react for just one lie. What about my own way be multiple lies?
Yeah, what have you bought here? I
know first. I know
if you bought here.
Oh, Kale quoi? Let's marry.
Yeah, we were donating into this account millions. I did not instigate anybody on the group. I did not instigate anybody that Izzy was not remitting receipts and bank statement to me. I've asked multiple times and she refused to send to me. If you're aware, very soon, another thing, 2 weeks, Izzy go bring another thing, come again, more can donate. Everybody was donating. And at the end of the day, she was not remitting any receipt to me. And I did not report to anybody on that group that this was exactly what was going on until the last one that broke the camera wherever. Then I asked her and I said, no, this whole thingy you said you bought with over 4 million naira, this cannot happen. And I was the one that gave assurance to Edo people. They actually asked me.
Of course.
I wanted them to pay money. You were there, Daniel. And I said, yes, they asked for my account. I said, no, I don't need it. And Izzy, you were the one that offered your account. You said you have a free account. And I gave them my words. I said, I want to quote myself. But every penny that was spent on that movement will be accounted for. That was what I said. And Izzy, you ended up not accounting anything to me. And at the end of the day, when I spoke out, do you know what you did? You are a devilish woman. You went and ganged up 75%. And you people were bashing me every day. And when I expect me Izzy not come for una, make una no taste una own medicine, it's not gonna work. So madam, you now said I was too harsh. Look at what they did to you. It was not up to one. In fact, about 100% they did to me. What they did to you is not up to 1%. And look at the way you reacted. So have you put yourself in my own shoe now? Do you know how?
Yes.
I did
She
not,
has done that.
I did not see. I did not offend these people. But if I offended them, they would have told me. But I will tell you the truth. I didn't have any problem with them. So what they try to talk, be say, once you don't spot, you don't they make friend with person, and you they buy property. This is just a candid advice. You are buying property and you know that your friend is not up to that extent to get that property. Please get it in peace. Don't tell your friend. You can only tell your friend if you guys are equals. Your friend has her own property. When you are buying yours, your friend will be happy for you. You got to be very, very, very careful and be vigilant. A Bible, a Christian or a Christian or tie, or where you have to be harmless like a dove, but you have to be vigilant like a serpent. You have to be wise like a serpent. So at the end of the day, when Izzy they laugh for people head, now laugh at the laugh. Izzy go open your body, go pull like go swan back. And Izzy no say no will reach my slippers. You wait they beg for 2 hours cleaning job.
Nene la ya we niya.
Oh, you're
Tori, busy Tori.
We hear it.
social media blog they call you CC. Say so
I just sleep.
God
I
talk,
just sleep.
now they
You
fight.
show me that blog. I just see you now. Me are your issue, Sha, and I was up and go me and carry and content talk. Me I get show with you. Serious one, oh. Serious one. I just
You
sleep.
understand? South. So my sister, body. You see where you were. I see where be say you they talk. You they tears. I watch you. I watch you a day. I say, oh God, who never see life for easy body? She go when I see where Oracle they talk, he say, oh God, he go open the light, and if you watch Oracle, that last voice note which she give you, you could see that
you
she was laughing. Did you see her tone? Easy they laugh for
She was being sarcastic.
It be like say Izzy they enjoy lies, To lie.
Yes, now.
She they enjoy them.
No empathy. No sympathy.
You get one thing where I hear since. You get what I hear. I dey sleep but
They say they borrow wig. They borrow a friend wig. They wear.
no, the time where I dey sleep, I just wake up then I sleep again. But I hear one thing. Well, one who me eyen na wa ya rize jollof rice. It's you give it so case you one here.
Egg, you want it's just okay egg.
That woman get mind though. For real, people they sad, they just everywhere they shaking.
You know, I read jollof rice. No wonder on me.
When you had the wagwa bobo tizo. Or take ya movie on me. No bell wagon.
I'll tell you who's yari well wa.
Okay, we met to see a macquame or warrior movie.
What to star?
Man, Wednesday.
That guy now really a boyfriend. They say the guy get serious girlfriend and children. We don't bring other pictures. Come and say if you see her.
And guess what?
My Zegbe.
And that guy not be the gene of a do.
No,
I talk him.
All those one where they claim Agbo na Igbo. Na Ibi. Ika is Igbo.
Ye do not ga. If you do me near Yahoo, only say Passat. Vaya o. Yeah, ye do move.
If you know you are beautiful, if you know you are a beautiful lady, if you know you are a beautiful lady, avoid people like Izzy or Omoruyi. Because Veno sa boy ya je ihe agbo sa yeso sa agbo ma yi ese ihe ahu we ye mose o ya amuye veno ya si we fie ti o ya agwa lo o ma na le boyfriend the normal ma munu or maybe una do time egbe boy na wa to si me ya wa boy ni won wa danu ogwa le veno ya gbagba yu egbe e so that boy ni me na do ye pa gbo we bo keke yen be ki na do a
remember when we dey live video is a year kokosi ge joy mose sha.
You still remember?
Now, she said no, now you still find now, no.
And
but I gear, and if you want to make the friends, you go to make them with people we find, and you go quit to jealous them. And you don't quit jealous them. But I gear no, why not they look for a level? Why? I have a picture of Joy wa post. He want me a picture in a way TikTok you say social media we say in a way if na grand face to face if you not go let this easy look Joy face tama walk and do bow. Ejo Egbewa, because
Actually, I'm out of the last.
it is back. Well,
Oh,
on
we not so.
well. This useless. Hey,
Maybe how easy it or you quicker.
where my media?
Man, I thought you quicker.
Out of the go.
Hmm?
Yes, why you're in there. No, to be honest, South South, I swear, easy at me way. Hotel can met it go one.
No, I fear no letter.
I'm
Fear
not
no letter.
joking.
That one is sure.
I know they joke.
She
Only
can try
one.
it.
Yeah, you walk by and way. It's
She can try it.
I don't blame you. Wa mi mani lele ke emani ave o meme gba ye wig. Ave wig in a wig. Or mu lele here. You guys have to be very, very
Again, not your happiness. Happiness of yours are no go. Of yours are no go no wrong.
We were tear chiso doro.
Akechi so. Akechi so. Yeah, easy what fits. Because many easy Korean, you
That one, there. He go say easy. You don't say you that big day now. Okay, what?
when you that big name. I mean, this is that. Why the video film in the one
That one is fancy for.
and go check his YouTube channel now. They maybe 150 to 200. The highest view for
You
the
don't say you that big day now. Big day, big how? How?
Yeah, pretty.
I very good. Everybody deal on this thing. Easy vision now. Worry jollof.
Yeah, I want to jollof in my brother. I want me say you that way.
The show we get wale. Why easy?
Miss Goldie.
Only say welcome to
Miss Goldie. What say well?
Soundboard. It be like soundboard.
Why is your boy?
I will do that.
But I go back say where me ni saran we na toast.
When Oma money sana ma we vegani. Oma money sana ma we vegani. When I put that video all the way fit tire yo. Ile ya we vegani. All the way go yawo.
Nene ku woye eku me ma bere kene ekene wani eku la bi wola.
Ekuro menwe. Ekuro menwe odo.
This nyash enisa me wa bere wa na me ti
I bet film the nyash me you film well.
I fit play tennis board for this nyash. Not be safe for more. And I go strike. Why they lie? Nobody wey easy never lie for her wey near easy. Why she dey lie? I don't understand. Over one word, you just before you anything, she don't lie for your head. Why? Everybody they complain of this lie. She don't lie for all of the head. Yeah, well.
Innocent on our wagua. Innocent what here? So you can get on our
why here?
Innocent it is you. On our innocent you already yourself.
Innocent.
Wa bege ke le go na. Wa bege Obi we going owo bia no gbo.
No.
Wa bege
Ije wala o.
Innocent here where is salary innocent. We are una.
Oh, that's easy. You know you are big now. You big now. Wajere gonna get another. Wajere. If you can see the member.
Of here for that.
You salute boy. It was.
Oh,
Just
God.
imagine.
Ah,
And that do I go.
mm. Easy when we was saying now with your big belly and your buff face, where we are fakey. Oh, you just
Of
say you want play
you.
people. You just now what? Wow, wow.
Oh, any one mobile one in the mind, they understand.
I don't understand.
Now they
Yeah,
call
yeah,
me,
no.
oh, they can't call me make a concert to matter. As I reach there, it's now why we move it by me instantly. Or we may liye ke ya call away joy, call away and whereas I didn't do that. Imagine it. So my people, as we said before, social media blog, as we all have agreed here before, anywhere in Manamia where in an with video, in a where you just see money go on or the hour, we have to stand. It is very important. Mama
Very
care.
important, very
Mhm.
important. That innocent woman not
Mama
do
care
anything. Right
at
from when he
all.
pick their life, now they don't let that woman get
They
peace.
don't let
They
that woman
manipulate her
enjoy.
daughter
They don't
against her.
let her enjoy
Eh?
her daughter.
Eh? The money person will carry use your money carry your picking come this thing. You want try to convince the whole world say the person a bad mother.
Yeah, no,
And
bad
She
now your
train
man.
her
mama can
mother.
good.
She
Very
train her
wicked
daughter, I need to
soul.
say. She train her
Very
daughter.
wicked soul.
She trained her
Wicked soul.
daughter. She brought her daughter to Europe. Now, when you don't become your friends, now that time you want prove the woman to be a bad mother. Eh? You will they carve you out to be the best mother. You see
Yes.
the way they carve you on that day, they say now so the children come, they come say, Mommy, I miss you.
My
And
grandma
so
will
what?
miss you.
So
Grandma,
for that reason,
Ogata.
you are trying to now prove to they try to prove to the world, say your mother is the best mother. Yeah? Iju eno ni azenwe you want prove to the world say na him be the best
You're
mother.
in there.
What's your problem? What's your problem? And you want to try to prove another person mother to be bad mother. Every means, you are using every means. See the passion, see everything you put to make sure, say yes, you declare that woman
When
to
your
be a
control
bad
here,
mother.
our control
So
here
that
now
one
this
not go
kind
Our
of
work.
thing.
country
Not go
here,
work.
my
Let
brother. Our country here, that
everybody
one is sure. That's sure. That's sure. Yeah?
I'll
I
matter
didn't
happy
watch her
men
that
with
day.
your
The thing,
control here.
I look this guy. See, let me tell you something. Nobody will feel love your child like you. Not possible.
Never.
Nobody on this earth will feel love your own pikin more than you. However, you want to try prove that woman by all means for
me say na
people to
bad
say
mother.
yes, now bad mother. This is a mother that brought this child up, you know, kill her or magbe,
You come bring her
nothing,
come
nothing.
abroad.
Don't carry and come abroad before he know you. When he don't know you, he don't become somebody before he know you. When he know you, now this time you want to prove this woman to be a bad mother. I say he can't go hospital. He can't use this thing,
So where? So
Tyson
where?
hospital. Ah, no. Easy. Your wish, eh? Your wish. You just dey cause, you want cause the anywhere
Why
you
if
go,
you no
you
go do
want
driver's
cause
license, make
division
you buy her
problem.
own car, they pay
That's
insurance,
it. Yes.
they pay tax, they pay everything. So that you use and go to bring her.
Eh?
Allah not bear.
Azinwe, Emma, and Azinyo Bue. Kewe kore na ekwe watie. See your big belly like anything. Get oti bone we wa protect ni wa asodoni they go use your big belly to do pepper soup. Kongo.
Yeah,
Cause
like it pepper soup.
you not get flesh for any other place. Ama we ni ahian lo.
Boogie.
Ekuweni ya we pepper soup. Uke we kore na ekwe watie. See this lady she's very very dangerous. I don't know what she see. I don't know what she see. And she
No, if
always
she
is.
come outside from Mama Sharon, the all of us will come outside from my boo.
Exactly.
Head down. If he try, we will come out for him. We will come out for her for his
Don't say
for
you
that
don't know us.
stupid buff
My
face.
boo.
Iṣẹ́ ọ̀dẹ́gbẹ́ làdìyàn, ìpíṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ yàámú làdìyàn. Èpíṣọ iṣẹ́ yàámú
We
làdìyàn wọ́n ni.
a face every egg in no egg soak stew.
So
One,
so geg.
egg soak stew egg. Zwane.
And the
Until
thing is that this guy is very, very disrespectful. You don't understand? How can you be calling your late friend's mom? You understand? You be calling her first name. and your mom is there. Your mom will not tell you that, listen, my daughter, what you're doing right now is really, really wrong. And you will come outside with your glasses that we used to press your nose like a Pinocchio. You have the audacity and the temerity to come outside and be telling us that Mama Sharon needs to come and tell us what happened to her child. Are you okay? Are you all right?
Yeah,
The
now
audacity for me. To be honest, it's the audacity.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, we are the vision.
They call to our
Okay.
level.
Okay.
Come to Izzy level, I beg.
Come to your level.
So Arriba.
Hear you come outside. Listen, you can do your thingy. If you in fact, come outside and say, you joy. I don't even care. You know me. I don't have your time. If you come out for us, when we feel like, because you're totally inconsequential to us, if we feel like, we'll come outside for you. But if Mama Sharon not talk to you, they suffer, they take care of her grandchildren, and you come outside, come they drag them again. Easy. You know, say you don't fair chatting us. I will bring you on Facebook. Hey, you wait, don't cast.
Which Facebook? We only have Facebook left winning.
As you come TikTok, can't take Safe Heaven. Before you know, we form group. And people tell me, say, you know, that time we just they come out from Igbo, Edo, Saga for TikTok. And people ask me to put my account for us to donate money and do one or two things in Edo. I refuse. I said, no, I don't want to put my account. What sound like they're not sounding like a me. Say you get free account. Till today, the money we don't donate. In fact, my people, if we donate money, sometimes 3 point something million, sometimes 4 point something million, sometimes 2 point something million. 3
Izzy,
Easy can never be account. Say this one this one a bank statement. See what she use money to, see what she use money to. You couldn't account. Not only that, my people, it get another forum where Bisen and Sima put everybody there called Royal South Movement. Not be only Edo people day, Edo day, Orobo day, people from this way we come from Port Harcourt.
Kwere people,
everybody did there. Now, the aims and objectives. Okay, the main reason why they create that group now to bring South together. Mona asked me what happened. When he reached to donate money again, I know what Izzy do. Izzy can go that place. Go put our account. Both Ikwere, Urobo, Edo, they begin donate money for that account. As we they talk to today, Izzy one day no come outside that place now. While I don't there, katakata don't there, and the same I came outside. They thought say he wants make Izzy return the money back to those South people. As we they talk to today, Izzy never returned that money.
He never returned the money.
I go back see me who donate 100K put. So people they will donate 300,000, 400,000.
Don't give account of the money where they donate one day.
People donate money, you know, if you give account. And you go come out when they throw out to Mama Sharon. If I walk in fear kulelewe. They go. If we hear say you come outside, and say see, wherever they talk, so I know
me she come out. Me I like me she come out. That one me I want. That one I want.
I never talk to her one day. I know but me as a mother, I know what see to lost the child, not even a newborn baby, to lost and the pain. No, talk about child will be say picky we don't born 2 children.
They say that the day I store the saga. We not there store now. Talk close, say you will say we there store the talk. We there
store. Everybody wait there. They different.
Reality. If you come out for that woman again,
if you come out again with reality. And the thing where they make me the best, we say, easy you never feel bring your certificate come outside. Me, you tell us the institution you actually attended.
As in useless, useless easy as useless. If you go to pay no game, make good saga.
You are illiterate. Look at you. You have nothing absolutely going on with you. Nothing to show for it at your age. At your age, it might be your money. So you shouldn't be coming out on this social media and be talking nonsense. So leave
Innocent,
Mama,
no we are me or Mupien.
leave
If we
Mama Sharon
innocent.
alone. If you leave her alone, we don't have any business with you. But people there where you never see carry their money, go give them. You don't know how much we donate to Edo 247. You don't know how much. You don't know how much me donate. I donate over 1 million naira. Over.
The time where you go till they give account of those money, go they use them to saga the poor woman.
Iri wadame, I'm gonna listen. Waiting me talk for my own money. Na it be this. The money not big, na very small money, 100K. Me, I go see do one down. Make it be say if I talk to her, make our ancestors use needle take block her ear, make she not listen, make she not give my money back. So that I go see opportunity, take remind that, take bring wetin dey my belle come out, take do am something. Easy Omoruyi, ikpikọkpa ya ya ti ewe zọba wasun. Ikpikọkpa o nuweje ni uwe akunwojukwu di fuawo. Wa re ya fi boy wa o. Ya if you boy wa wo ka hu keju e. Ikama wele. Many
Abi
time ya we.
Abi Ikwere Inyarema. Izzy Mametiri go ni ya donate your account or you can hear or when account me he go be la way, but you were the one that told people that account was a free account, that you were not using that account.
For him to put that account for Edo 247, he put the same account for South movement.
South movement.
Put that together. As she tell the for
Not be only that one, no, not be only that one. One and wait,
wait. I go back to
one and wait. Not be only that one. Not be only
yeah.
that one. One day I sit down my own like this. Neither you see call me. Another group does you open. This one I only Edo people wey dey speak Benin. Now I want join this one. Money where they want to register na 150,000. And this one don't donate, this one don't donate. Now I see ask them which account. He say na easy account. Now I say I know they join. I lie. You don't know who I don't want to mention that person's name here.
Now
you don't know person one that call me.
Now listen, now they put that account now. He put them for Edo 247. Donation they come from there enter. He put them for South movement. Donation they come from there they enter. It's the I want to say I tell they separate the donation where it come from this side and this side. I should tell they separate them. That is to say she don't forget them from mind right from the beginning. Say the money na yes. Because if she want give account of that money, she not supposed to put the same account for the both this thing organization. You're not supposed to
and people that's what remember that people donated massively.
Yes.
And in the aspect of Edo 247, they donated multiple times. I mean multiple times. Now when I can't see say the thing done too much, it done too much, and you know you are the only one, attending to that money that was actually donated in your account. You know, saying only you one day. But the discrepancy was out of this world. It was something else. Do you know they bring a statement of account? You know, go to roughly wait here, I don't see.
A medical outreach we do for Palace. We will do for our Edo nation for Palace.